So, video's simple. I'm gonna drive around, we're gonna rev the car, and we're gonna see if we can get reaction from people on the noise that my stock M5 exhaust makes. Let's find out. Oh, I see them. You'll see them on the left here. Not even a look. So the goal is to find some old ladies, because they definitely get mad the most. Out of all the times I've been yelled at for my car, it's definitely been old ladies the most. They've stepped out in front of my car to try and stop me from driving. One lady was trying to like chase after me to pull me over and everything. It's great, you know? They really mix up loud and fast. So it's gonna be a good time today. We should definitely have some fun. Ready? We're off to a poor start here. That's okay. Wasn't an old lady, so it doesn't count. Didn't even flinch. Apparently nobody is out on a lovely Sunday afternoon. Look at that jog form though. Can't beat it. Wow. We gotta laugh. See, the guys always give the laugh, and the girls always get mad. It's great.